So you've got a plugin for Obsidian that you want to install, but it's not in the public repo. In this video, I'll show you how you can manually install any plugin inside of Obsidian. So a little bit of context here. I recently wrote a plugin for Obsidian called the Weekly Review plugin, and it's been approved by Obsidian, but it hasn't gotten merged into the main repo yet. And I get this question constantly around how do I install an Obsidian plugin? And honestly, I didn't know how to do it either, and I'm a software engineer. So I went ahead and figured out how to do it. In this video, I'll share how to do that. Let's do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab the GitHub repo for the plugin that you want to install. I'm going to go ahead and open up mine right here. And so this is the Weekly Review plugin. There are three key pieces to an Obsidian plugin. There is a JavaScript file, a CSS file, and then a project file. Let me go ahead and find that for you. So I'm going to go into this releases. Yeah, so it's this main.js, which is your JavaScript file, your manifest.json, which is all your metadata for your plugin, and then your styles.css file. You put those into a folder inside of your Obsidian plugins folder, and that's what drives all of that. The complicating factor is the recommendation from Obsidian is that you use TypeScript instead of JavaScript, and that needs to be compiled. And so if you were to just download this repo and paste it into Obsidian, that's not going to work. That's where releases come into play. So over here on this right side of GitHub, you'll see the releases, and it is best practice to upload your JavaScript file and all of your individual files as assets into a release. So what we're going to do is we're going to download these three files. Yeah, there's not an easy way to do it. So I'm just going to download these three files. And they'll be down in here. And then we will create a folder. What you call it doesn't matter so much. I'm going to call it Weekly Review, but as far as I know, this doesn't matter. You're going to put those three files in there. We are then going to put that into the Obsidian plugins folder. So how to find the Obsidian plugins folder. So we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to community plugins. And again, if this was already in the community plugins, you could just go to browse and find it here. It hasn't been added to the main repo here, so that's not an option for us. So the alternative is to open the plugins folder, which you can do by clicking this folder icon. And so that's going to open the folder to your Obsidian vault, and then this .obsidian folder, and then plugins. You could find this on your file system, but it's a hidden file. So if you don't have hidden files shown, you might not be able to see it. From there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that folder that we just created into the root of this directory, and we'll see it right there. And then I'm going to go back to Obsidian, and you're going to see that it's not here. Even if I leave out of settings and come back, it's not going to be in here. So you need to press this refresh button, which will have Obsidian look for new plugins, and then you will see it. Your plugin is going to default into an off state. We need to turn it on, and then from there, we evoke whatever the command is from the plugin. So for a weekly review, I hit Command-Shift-P to open the command palette, and I type weekly review, and I hit start review. And that's going to open up all of the files that I've created in the last week so that I can review those and take notes on them. That is how you manually install a plugin inside of Obsidian. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like so that it can make its way to other folks who would benefit from it, and do subscribe for more Obsidian content like this. Speaking of which, you'd probably like my Obsidian Vault walkthrough. I'll have that linked over here on the side. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.